everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to play Mage Rage, which is a game done by John Davies through the Joesoft label of his. You can download it from itch.io. The description's in the link. The link's in the description. Yeah, donate if you can. Keep the homebrew scene alive, and it's definitely worth donating to. So yeah, so cool artwork by Andy Green, as you can see there. So it's basically a top-down dungeon crawler. It's got, and from top left to bottom right, clockwise, we've got spiders, mouse, we've got bats, we've got ogres or goblins, and then we've got trolls, and then obviously we've got a mage who's in a rage. So yeah, top-down dungeon crawler, really good to play. Let's get on with it. So the music's really good as well, and I'm not 100% sure who did the music. In the credits it says x-agon, Jers, Black Lord, and Dr. Dismal. So I think that they did, like, you know, maybe game over tune, intro tune, the game tune while you're playing. So okay, so let's bash on. Press space. Yeah, the music's really good, this tune, and see if you can recognise it, because I reckon it's Jean-Michel Jarre. Hopefully YouTube won't flag it. Get Jean-Michel coming round having a go. We'll see. Cool. So enter the ravenous beast's evil lair. Find 20 magical swirls and escape. Sounds easy, doesn't it? So I'll pick Kempston. Travel eastward if you dare, young wizard. So we can see he leaves his dog behind, or whatever that is, a cat maybe. Goes into the dungeon. So you see the spiders, and the graphics are really smooth. Right, so that I've just gone on, I think that's a respawn point for the spiders. We've got an extra, oh that's a health, that's health, so if we lose health like that, you see my health's gone down to 24, goes up to 25, don't know if there's a limit on there, that's useful to know. So the things we're collecting is where the spider is, so we have to dodge it, get killed and pick it up. That's one of the swirls picked up. I don't think these actually home in on you, I think they're kind of random but very jerky, and I've just lost 2 lives in one go. So now I've got, that allows you to use the wizard bolt, so I've picked up the wizard bolts, so I've got 24 of them. Those are good on these spiders, so let's just use one of them. Got him. Yeah, and he respawned down there. So in order to get out of a room, you have to select which door to open, then you pick the arrow, so that arrow's pointing upwards. At the top of the screen you'll notice the doorway's open. So what I'll do is just shoot that and then see, yeah, that replenishes it. So I'm fully bolted up now. Right, so we'll just travel a bit further. So we're in the cursed place, or cursed place, depending. Get the swirl while we're here. So you see there's 2 options. That's opened the lower exit. We want to go north, so let's open that as well. There is also an exit to the east which will open. North, or we'll go north. When you go back, it closes all the exits. You see, right, the thing I'm carrying is impervious to the bats, so you need a weapon for the bats. But yeah, the controls are great on this. Graphics really suit it actually. A lot of atmosphere, so we're in the gloomy lair at the minute. game tune suits it very well. Pretty atmospheric. So we're infested hollows. Let's get all our life back. Open the door. So these are like, I think these are rats. Or very weird dogs, can't tell, blue dogs. No, they're rats. So I need to open. No, you see, I'm just basically dodging. I've got a feeling I should have picked up a weapon before this to get the rats. But what I'll do is go south, so I've got most of my life left. Ah, that weapon there. Yeah, the one that looks like a dice. I have got 18 left of those, so I could have shot at the rats. So I'm guessing these are impervious. Weapons are impervious to these. Oh no, these are. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, need to experiment a bit more. Basically, you've got a weapon you can shoot them with. So, apparently, it's a good idea to make a map as well as you go along, so you know where you're going. Right, so I've just gone around in a circle. Obviously you've got health and I'm on 18 health, so I'm a bit low at the moment. It's made with AGD. There's a few other people on the project as well that gave, you know, help and got the AY music to run within it, within the engine. That's all. It's all in the description below. Go, infested hollows. Got that one. So let's go north. Can't see one to go east. Oh. Deep dark chasm. It certainly keeps you on your toes with the rats. Now, okay, so I think there's mentions bridges as well, so there's probably a bridge somewhere that you can cross. So we'll go back the way we came. Do this one, go west because that's the easiest. I like the way the health things are there. It certainly helps. You know, you go down to like 3 and you manage to find one of them. It's like yes. So this is where a map is useful. Right, I've run out of weapons now, so to dodge these things. Yeah, managed to hit them both, that's good. Got 7 left, got 6 left. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Hello. Okay. The rodent's den. Hiding. That was strange. Anyway, good game. Enjoyed it. Yeah, John spent quite a bit of time on this. Like I say, there's a lot of people involved, and it's come out. Yeah, it's come out well. There's certainly a load more screens to explore. It's worth downloading. Like I say, donate if you can, and enjoy it. There's also another one I'm going to be looking at, which is done, which will be the next upload. So there's 2 that you can get from his itch.io page. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Like and subscribe if you can, and see you next time.